Good morning. The pig is up. Way! We are going to China. Yes! So waiting for the taxi, which hasn't turned up. So Katie went outside to ring the taxi company, and they said to her that according to their records, we've already been picked up and being transferred to the airport. Hey, wow! Of course we haven't been picked up, and we haven't. Oh, dickheads! Katie, Katie, look at me.
No.
Well, this is all our stuff, Kate. And there's Kate.
I'm actually really hungry.
Paris. We are going to Paris. Katie's having fun. Katie doesn't like the pig. The flight is already delayed. And the reason is that there is something wrong with the airplane. Good start. Okay. They're boarding now. Going to Paris. We should stay in Paris actually.
No.
Nah, China's better. They love each other. Right, a little bit delayed, but we are on the way. Katie, look at that! Oh, Shenzhen. Wait. Hello.
Hey.
We are on the flight. It's a massive plane, guys. It's a massive plane. That's a journey. We got a bag of stuff. With toothbrush, toothpaste, socks.
Oh yes, earplugs. I was thinking about earplugs.
Earplugs. Oh yeah, very useful.
I'm one of them.
And that's mask.
Just a bitch.
Ah. They got some food. The vegan and the vegetarian eating something really weird. Although we got fish. We didn't know that we should have kind of ordered vegetarian or vegan meal.
I mean, I suspected
before. I actually suspected. I wasn't even sure that we would get food, but anyway, we got food, and if we do this next time, at least we know what to do. So fish this time. It's better than no food. Is it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let's eat.
各位旅客，根据所有国际进港航班。
Oh yeah, 2 hours to go, and we got breakfast.
Terrible food.
Treating our vegan vegetarian diet.
Very well.
Landing soon. Half an hour to go. Look at Katie's face. Almost there. Yes, we made it. Right, Katie. It's like 30 degrees.
It feels like a rainforest.
I'm literally melting. I literally stepped out of the airplane and it's like hot. Really hot. So, this is Shenzhen. Shenzhen.
This is a big ass airport.
This is a massive bloody airport. The rucksacks are coming.
And now the moment of truth as to whether our bags survive the journey.
Got Kate. Pick it up. Way, yo. Mr. Flyby. So far so good. Look at my face. Not happy at all because our bag just hasn't turned up. Or at least Katie's turned up, mine hasn't turned up. So this is a great start. We arrived to China and my bag seems to be lost. We've got about 3 hours to wait now. That's what's happening. And we can hope that the bag's gonna turn up somewhere. Either it's already traveling to Hangzhou, or it's gonna turn up in the next couple of weeks. Which is gonna be great because I haven't got any clothes or anything, so fantastic. Wow. Let's refill the bottles. Yeah. You can get hot water and normal water. Ace. Alright, it's getting better. We just wanted to buy food and they don't take the card. They don't take card. They take cash payment.
Literally, like everywhere.
What the fuck, man?
Literally, like everywhere. It's like, oh, China, they don't take cash anymore. Your cash is.
And we are in an airport and they don't take card. Right. So well, that's tricky because we are really hungry and like this is just getting even more like ridiculous and tiring. I've just had a walk around. Cash machines are apparently only outside of the building or the airport, so we can't even get cash. So we are starving. The last bit. Alright, let's do the last journey. 2 hours and we are in Hangzhou.
欢迎行李请到机场到梯体区，需要转乘海南航空其他航班的乘客，请您在下机。
We're here. Still no bag, so I think I'm gonna be without a lot of things. Not happy, not happy. Welcome to China, welcome to Hangzhou, and I'm not happy.
Yeah, it's like literally you like move to China, literally all your belongings are in that one bag. That is like your entire life in a bag, and it's just don't know where it is. Don't even know if it's in China. It's
Yeah.
still in France.
Yeah, it might be still in France. Welcome to Hangzhou.